Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, download, hit that notification bell, you feel me? Y'all already know. Somebody did this one already, I don't remember, but boom, we got the honey bun. Food review mukbang. Look at the bag. That motherfucker, you feel me? I'm gonna get a bag of, about a 7. I give it a 7. Expiration date, February 22nd. We good. You feel me? Nutritious facts. One pastry is 7 grams. Calories 290. 8 grams of saturated fat. 16 grams of total fat. Cholesterol 5 milligrams. 13 grams of protein.